Ladies and gents, gather around. This is my story, let it astound. From zero to hero, I rise today. Through the mud and the pain, I found my way. Once at the top, then I fell so deep. Lost it all, not even a dream to keep. But faith stayed strong, a fire inside. Through the darkest storms, I refused to hide. Serving others, that's my creed. Silent support in a word and deed. Some never notice, but I never mind. Giving freely is the richest find. It's simple, it's real, principles to live. A fresh perspective is all I give. Jabba dabba do, hear my call. Is that a shoe or a cow standing tall? What do you think? What do you see? Ask yourself, who do you want to be? Blueberry boost, fuel for the ride, power for the soul. Life's a grind, but this makes me whole. After the ride, after the grind, feeling the burn, but I'm alive. Wheels spinning, heart racing fast. Now it's time for the energy to last. Blend it up, feel the power grow. Purple potion, let the flavor flow. A touch of ginger, a hint of sweet. Fuel for the soul, it's the ultimate treat. Legs again strong, antioxidants alive. Keeping the spirit ready to thrive. Cocoa's water waves, honey's embrace. One sip takes you to a brighter place. Blueberry boost, feel the vibe. Sip it slow, let your spirit thrive. From the grind to the glow, it's the way to go. Recharge your life, let the energy show. From skateboards to bikes, from work to play. This smoothie is your magic every day. Markus Duke's Rise, a story to find. Faith in God and a servant mind. So take a sip, let it lift you high. Blueberry boost as you touch the sky. Fuel for the ride, power for the soul. Life's a grind, but this makes me whole. This is for you. Listen, feel, and thrive. After the ride, this is for you. Listen, feel, and thrive.